Okay, so back to music and culture.
Yeah.
Back to music.
We're still in music and culture.
Back to music and culture. Don't touch Murima. Back to music.
Tell us something. When do you like, or ni time gani napenda kusikiza music? Mimi nikiwa na stress. I better put my headphones. And get back to my There's something in me is now starting to come out.
The ancestors are
My sisters, wakati niko stressed, me, I just love listening to music.
And do you listen? Okay. Umesema tupendi kusikiza nyimbo za Murima. Okay. Nyimbo gani za kitambo unasikizanga?
Tuseme gospel ama
any?
Mbona na worship songs? Worship sana. Sasa tukirudi Murima hiyo side hiyo sector. I love
za Kikuyu.
Yeah, worship.
Okay. Na wewe?
Nini music?
Za kitambo.
I'm all weather. Me kuna muziki sisikizi. Okay. You'll find me listening to taarab.
Okay, you can listen to all music, but there is
a certain genre.
Hip hop kills me. Hip hop any day, any time.
Sometimes I'm made to believe that my soul is of an old person. Yenye iko kwa mwili ya a young person. Tell me why. Yeah.
Reincarnation.
Tell me why I listen to country music. Dolly Parton.
No.
Wimbo za kitambo by the way zinanibambanga sana.